Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Crocs. If you don't have a Crocs account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page, then click on My Account. On the drop-down list, you will see a Sign In/Register button. Click on the Sign In/Register button. Now on this page, you will see an option for Register. Click on Register. Next, you need to register. Then enter all the required information, such as your first name, last name, email address, then confirm it on the fourth field. Lastly, create a password, then enter it again on the last field to confirm. After entering all the required information, click on the Register button. On this page, several questions will show. Click on the option that applies to you. First, select who do you usually shop for? Then select which styles of Crocs do you want to hear about. Or you could just click on the Finish Later button. Next, select what are your interests. After that, click on the tick box beside Yes option, if do you rock your Crocs at work. Lastly, select your birthday if you want to receive a free birthday gift, but it's just optional. Then click on the Join the Club button. That's how you sign up for Crocs. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.